Hi, this is Terry Stevenson of the Builderall team, and in this training video, we're going to learn all about the video tag tool. Our subject today, the video tag tool, is really a tag that you're going to want to pay attention to for your video marketing. Now, if you haven't seen the training for the video wrapper, please check that out. I covered a lot of statistics and best practices in the beginning of the video wrapper training video. So take the time to watch that. I'm not going to repeat myself here, but it's valuable information and you'll want to use it to inform yourself. We're also going to learn the video tag basics. It's such an easy tool to use. It will only take a few minutes. And then we're going to create a video wrapper video tag combo. Yes, that's right. We're going to use the video tag on a video wrapper video. And you'll be able to see how awesome it is to have these tools in your back office. So let's get busy and get into the dashboard and take a look at the video tag tool. And since I was last on my dashboard, I was working on the video wrapper tool. I can come right here to put my video tag tool right up here at the top. I just love that about our new dashboard. We can really make it work for us. So we're going to click on the purple video tag and enter. That brings up our video tag tool. And it's such an easy tool to use. The very first thing we're going to do is add a project. Let's create our project for our mythical fruit shop. I'm going to name this project Fruit Shop 1 and put the title in here. Right here, you have the option of either using video from a YouTube link. In that case, you would go to the YouTube link and copy the URL and put it in here. We're going to upload from my computer. So I'm going to choose that option and choose a file from my desktop. I'm going to choose our vegetable stand video. And now we see our Fruit Shop video wrapper video in the frame. And we have the option to add some tags. You see, that's what the video tag tool does. It adds a tag to an image that is overlaid upon your video. And then when you click on that image, it activates a tag. And you have the option of choosing 3 tags. You can choose the call tag, and it will actually call on either their mobile phone or their desktop phone, the number you put in. If you choose the email, when they click on the image associated with that tag, it will send an email. And on the website, of course, you install the tag with an image, and then when they click on that image, it'll take them to the website. Let's choose website, and it opens up a link tag. It offers this is the default image, or we can upload our own image. So let's install one for the website. It brings up a card, and it offers an icon that we can use as our image. You also have the opportunity to upload an image. We'll do that in another example. For now, I just want to show you the basics. And here where it says title, this is where you can write something below the image to initiate the action. In this case, this is a link. So let's say visit our website. And I've copied the link to the Fruit Shop website. I've gone to the Fruit Shop website. I've copied the URL from the address bar onto my clipboard. And now I'm going to paste it here where it says URL. Down here on time settings, the start time, that's where you want that image to appear. And you can have it appear at any time during the process of the video. Now we only have a 14-second video here, So let's just start this one at 3. Down here, you also have the option of the duration, how long you want that image to be seen on the video. So we're going to play this particular one to the end, and now we're going to click Done. That installs the tag on the video, and we can pull it down here, and we have the option to resize it. That makes it bigger, or make it smaller. So we can really even put it right here, maybe even make it a little larger since, oh, you have to be very careful with this slider. So we could put a nice big visit our website button right here. There, that's about the size that I wanted it, because you can see here the frame of the video. We have this space outside of our video wrapper, so we can put a call to action button here that will last the whole length of the video. It has the URL on our video wrapper and our logo. So that's great brand identity. And now we can even add a call button. So let's go ahead and add a call button. And we'll go ahead and choose this icon. We'll put a title on there that says click to call us. We'll put the phone number in there because the tag has to know who to dial. And let's start this one. Let's wait to start this one until they're almost halfway through and go to the end. And we'll say done. We can position this one up here. It's still within the boundaries of our video frame. We can position it wherever we like. Check it. Let's go ahead and save it. Now let's encode it so we can see it. We'll come over here to the embed your video, and we're going to grab this top link. That's the link where it's living right now, and we'll right click it and copy it. And I put it in my browser, and you're seeing the full version of the video right now. So let's play and see what we have. Visit our website and click to call us. Well, it's working, so let's see what happens when we click on visit our website, and it takes us right to the fruit shop website. Isn't that awesome? That's just so amazing. Now you'll also notice that up here when we click on that embed, we also have the option to grab this embed code. You can copy it right to your clipboard, install it in an iframe on a web page. So you can add these right to your web page or any place you can add an iframe, an HTML embed code. You can share your video directly on Facebook and on Twitter. Isn't that amazing? So all we do is say, let's change the title to this to promo, and we'll go ahead and see if it works. Share your video. So we'll save it, and let's go ahead and share this on Facebook. Share to newsfeed or story. I'm going to share this in a group, and I'm going to post it to Builderall Business. So I've created a post here, and I'll come down here and post it to Facebook. Isn't that amazing? What a time saver. What a great way to quickly pull together something and stay out there, stay fresh, and get interactive with your clientele, with your audience. And there are so many different ways to use this. Let me show you another quick one. And we're going to add a project. And we'll call this project Fruit Shop 2. And let's upload it from the computer. And I want to choose the first video wrapper we did. So I'm going to choose that file and add it. Now we can come back in here. It's Fruit Shop 2 and edit it. And if you remember, this is the video that has the branding at the bottom with our logo. The berries are in text in the center. And it has the fruit falling. And it's 14 seconds long. Let it play through here so you what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. So let's definitely add a call button because the berries are in. Maybe they came in on a truck that morning. Only this time, let's choose a new image for our icon here. So we're going to choose File, and for the title, let's just put in Click Here. And of course, we still need to let the tag know who to call. And for this button, let's have this on for a good bit of the video. Let's start it. It's only 14 seconds. Let's go ahead. Let's start it at about 4 seconds in and go to the end. We want our customers calling for some of this fresh raspberries that just came in on the truck. So here's our button, and we can put it right where we want it. Now let's make it a little larger perhaps. Not much, because we know how that is. Let's make it a little smaller yet. We might be able to bring it down a little bit and make it a little larger. There we go. And we get it positioned where we think we like it. And of course, we would always be able to add some other tags on the outskirts. We could put a call email button or a website button here. This doesn't have the website on it, so maybe we should do that. So let's go ahead and put a website button on there. And I'm just going to choose an image of our header that we built. And we're going to say, visit our website. I've copied the URL of the website onto my clipboard, and I'm going to paste it into the URL field. Let's make the start time, let's make it halfway through at the 7 point to the end. Click Done. That puts our button, our clickable image, up here. And of course, we can move it wherever we like. But remember, we have the one button coming in the center. So let's try to keep it up here. That's as far north as we can go. But we can adjust the size a bit. And remember, that'll be coming in, or we could put it down here. That actually looks pretty good. I think I like that better. Put it right here, and we have everything else set. I forgot to save my first button, but it happens to everyone. I'm going to try to make that just a bit smaller. Position it a little bit more in the center. There, I like that. Now, we've got this, our website down here, and we've got a tag here for them to call. Let's see what this looks like as we play it. So the berries are coming down, and we have an order button, and we have a way to visit the website. There you go. Awesome, awesome. So we're going to save it. Click OK. And of course, we can always go up here and grab that code. And then I'll just go to put it in my browser. So here we are on the full screen of the video we just made with video tag. Let's see what happens. We'll click on that. Here come our berries and our button to order our fresh berries. And now we know what website to go to. And see how easy that was to do? And we can share it to Facebook. Let's go ahead and title it. And so now I'm going to share this in our Builderall group, if I could spell, and down here, and we'll post it to Facebook. And that's how easy it is. Isn't that awesome? What an amazing tool this is. And you can see it's really as simple as pulling together the resources to build these pieces quickly. So it's my suggestion, as you're working with a client or as you're creating videos and marketing for your own purposes, your business, your mission, whatever you're working on, start gathering little elements of graphics and video that you can use, and you can have a little stockpile of, and then you can pull them in here quick whenever you need something. And the tools we have in this platform make it so easy to do what we need to do to get our message seen and heard. I hope you enjoyed this training. I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you in the community and in another training video soon.